What you're about to witness isn't just a repair. It's the resurrection of a forgotten giant, and the unveiling of an astonishing talent. Deep in the jungle, a relic of the past awaits, a challenge most would abandon. But she sees more than rust and ruin. She sees a hidden potential. The journey to awaken this beast begins with a single, determined step. Armed with resolve, she brings the first spark of life back to the machine. A flicker of hope against the decay. The formidable task is now underway. The heart of the machine is exposed, a complex puzzle of steel and silence. With patient hands, she begins to dissect the layers of neglect. Each component holds a piece of the story, a reason for its long slumber. The grime of years is washed away, a baptism for the rebirth to come. Every part is meticulously cleansed, honoring the craftsmanship of the past. This is more than cleaning, it's a ritual of restoration. Inside the engine's core, the damage is cleared, a testament to its long abandonment. The silent cylinders wait, yearning to fire once more. The careful process of reassembly begins, piece by precious piece. She breathes new life into the valves, the very lungs of the engine. Her focus is absolute, a synergy between human and machine. The final connections are made, weaving the intricate systems back together. A final check, the machine, once a corpse, now stands ready for revival. The engine's secrets are laid bare as she adjusts its delicate inner workings. Every turn of the screw is precise, a step closer to reclaiming lost power. She reaches deep into its metallic heart, feeling for the faintest pulse. Her hands, though stained with grease, perform a surgeon's delicate work. The skeletal frame of the old tractor is a monument to her unwavering effort. The fuel system, the lifeblood of the engine, receives her focused attention. She meticulously clears the pathways, ensuring the beast can feed. With confident strength, she secures her repairs, locking in the promise of renewal. No detail is too small, no part insignificant, in this mechanical symphony. A vital piece is guided back into place, bridging a gap left by time. Her work is nearly complete. The engine is whole again, waiting for the spark. Against the wild green, the restored machine seems to hold its breath in anticipation. She takes the seat of command, no longer a restorer, but a pilot. The moment of truth arrives. Will her tireless work pay off? Success, a roar of light shatters the silence. The forgotten giant breathes again. It moves, leaving its forest tomb behind, a testament to the impossible. The resurrected machine carves a new path, powered by her unyielding spirit. Across the open fields, it's a symbol of transformation, proof that nothing is truly lost. Her mission, however, is far from over. Other machines await her touch. For her, this is a calling to find the broken and make it whole. Another engine, another challenge, the intricate dance of restoration begins anew. With practiced ease, she navigates the complex architecture of the machine. Her workshop is nature itself, a place where lost things are reborn. Power tools join the effort, accelerating the teardown of another forgotten soul. The cylinder head is removed, revealing the engine's core secrets. Her hands, stained with the oil of past victories, are ready for the next chapter. Each bolt tightened is a promise, a step towards another resurrection. Her focus is a force of nature, matching the wilderness that surrounds her. The ravages of time are wiped away, revealing the clean slate beneath. The empty cylinders are a canvas, waiting for the artist to begin her work. A sealant is applied, a crucial barrier, to ensure a perfect new beginning. With immense care, the head is rejoined, with the engine block, a critical moment. The methodical process of reassembly continues, a testament to her patience. She works with an innate understanding, as if speaking the engine's silent language. Every part is treated with reverence, the crucial piece of the larger whole. The complex machinery takes shape again, under her expert guidance. She is tireless, driven by a passion to mend the broken things of the world. Each movement is efficient and purposeful, the result of countless hours of practice. Her dedication is transformative, turning scrap metal into a marvel. Even the smallest components are reborn, cleansed in oil for a new life of service. Her next project, a machine so neglected, it has become one with the earth. Modern tools are summoned to fight back against years of stubborn rust and decay. The machine's defenses begin to fall, surrendering to her relentless assault. With sheer strength, she liberates a heavy part, the first major victory in this new battle. The machine is slowly deconstructed, its core systems methodically exposed. Even the wheels, rooted to the ground, must be removed to complete the overhaul. After the teardown, the transformative work begins, a new part is carefully installed. The satisfying turn of a screwdriver signals that the rebuild is truly underway. The machine's nervous system, its wiring, is painstakingly reconnected. What was once a hollow shell is now beginning to resemble a machine of purpose. A moment of assessment, a proud glance at the progress made against all odds. But her work is never done. An even older, more challenging relic awaits. She inspects the battery, searching for any sign of dormant life. The rusted exhaust is fitted, a voice, for an engine that has long been silent. She gives the engine a final, thorough check, anticipating the challenges within. Every part of this ancient machine is inspected with her expert eye. The drill whirs, a modern sound, against the antique metal, and doing the work of time. A final look over her repairs before the most critical stage begins. The last pieces of the puzzle are fitted, a testament to her meticulous nature. Satisfaction, the second machine stands complete. Rescued from the brink of oblivion, the saga continues with yet another machine, its engine seized by age and neglect. With a simple cloth, she wipes away the past, preparing the surface for a new future. In a basin of murky water, the engine's bones are cleansed and purified. Even the smallest bolts are given new life, a crucial step in her process. The engine block, stripped bare, reveals the pistons, frozen in time. This hollowed core is the greatest challenge yet, a true test of her skill. The delicate process of rebuilding the valve train requires a steady, knowing hand. Slowly, methodically, the components are returned to their rightful place. She double-checks her work, ensuring the tolerances are perfect. The engine begins to look like itself again, a complex tapestry of metal and mechanics. A wrench turns, securing a part, and with it, another piece of the future. Her methodical approach leaves nothing to chance, ensuring the revival will last. The engine assembly nears completion, a monument to her persistence. A quick test of the mechanics, confirming everything moves as it should. She cleans the surrounding area, a sign of professionalism and pride. One final check of the completed assembly, anticipation builds. Weary, but fulfilled, she knows the hardest part is now behind her. The battery is connected, the final step in giving the machine its new heart. A triumphant roar, life returns, and with it, a smile of pure joy. She drives her creation through the village. A hero of restoration, a master of machines, but her skills are not limited to the field. Even domestic machines call for her help. In a cluttered workshop, she confronts a new kind of mechanical puzzle. Her mission takes her back to the wild, where a tractor is buried under debris. She prepares for the job, but this time, the challenge seems to be financial. She counts her meager funds, a stark reminder of the resources needed for her work. Despite the setbacks, her determination to salvage the machine is unbreakable. She sets off to find the parts or help she needs to continue her quest. Using ingenuity and simple mechanics, she single-handedly lifts the heavy wheel. The stubborn bolts refuse to yield, a test of her physical strength. She resorts to power tools, a modern solution to an age-old problem. The liberated wheel is inspected, a small victory in a much larger war. She gathers heavy steel parts, likely scavenged or purchased with her limited cash. Every piece of equipment is carefully organized. Preparing for the next stage of the rescue, help arrives. A fellow villager lends their tractor to the cause. Together, they work, a community united, in the effort to salvage the lost machine. Back in the workshop, her true expertise shines. As she rewires the tractor's complex electrics, her fingers deftly connect the wires, restoring the machine's nervous system. The final parts are fitted, the culmination of a long and arduous journey. She takes the controls, preparing to test the results of her labor. A final check, the machine is ready. A story of community and perseverance comes to a close, but the stories of broken machines are endless. A woman sits helplessly, a dead tractor. Nearby, another vehicle, a car caked in mud, waits for its own savior. This engine is a nightmare of rust and grease, a challenge for even a seasoned mechanic. A man's hands now enter the frame. Perhaps our heroine has taken on an apprentice. The grime is thick, a sign of extreme neglect and a difficult life on the road. A power tool screams as it bites into metal. The start of another radical deconstruction. This is mechanical surgery, removing the diseased parts of the engine. She organizes the removed parts, a crucial step in a complex repair. The ritual of cleansing begins again, washing away the sins of the past. She is meticulous, ensuring every component is pristine before it is reinstalled. The apprentice now takes the lead, reassembling the engine under her watchful eye. The delicate components of the valve train are carefully pieced back together. The rebuild nears completion, a testament to the knowledge being passed down. Precision is key. Each part must fit perfectly. For the engine to run again, the bolts are torqued to spec, a final, critical step in the assembly. The team works in harmony, a well-oiled machine in their own right. Her legacy is not just in the machine she fixes, but in the skills she shares. The last pieces are installed, a sign of another successful revival. A final check of the fuse box, ensuring the electrical systems are sound. She stands back, proud not just of the car, but of the new mechanic she has trained. And so the cycle continues, a small screw, a big problem. A young woman, embodying the same spirit, tackles the challenge of a dead battery. The engine is a familiar sight, a complex, dirty, beautiful puzzle. On a muddy road, in a humble village, a new generation ensures no machine is ever truly lost. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Fuan's Bushcraft for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.